Hi, I'm Christine, and this is my sidekick, Chase the dog. We travel the US living out of my SUV, searching for adventure, food, and fun. If you'd like to be our travel buddy, then like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Hi guys, today is spring cleaning day. I've let the car go way too long without a deep clean and it's pretty dirty inside and out. I started getting into clean with me videos a couple years ago. These are just videos of people cleaning, but I like them because you get to see things go from a state of chaos to order, and it's great motivation. Whenever I'm cleaning, I like to put these videos on in the background because it makes the process more enjoyable and it makes me feel like I have a cleaning buddy. So I'm gonna make my own clean with me video today. I understand if that's not your thing, so it's okay if you don't watch the whole video, but only this once. We're gonna start at the laundromat today because I wanna put clean sheets and clean clothes into a clean car. Bubs, I'm gonna need you to move. I was just waiting for the laundry to get done and I looked down and I saw this entire group of ants moving a piece of dog food that Chase left. They're so strong. Good teamwork, guys. You deserve it. All right, buddy, getting kicked out again. I just want to lint roll any spare dog hairs before I put the clean sheets in. We got a nice, fresh and clean top sheet for you to get hairy, Bubs. We're at the car wash now. My plan is to take everything out of the car so I can do a really good vacuum. Hey, my other earplug. I think this is the worst the front seat has ever been. I keep all my food and stuff up here and my coffee supplies and my drinking water, and there's been a lot of good sales, so I've been stocking up, but apparently I've just been throwing them here and then that's where they live, so that's got to get changed today. This has been like my junk drawer, which I never wanted to have a junk drawer, but I think you have to have one. They're a necessary evil. Like, where else are you gonna put spare Velcro or your Mardi Gras baby or your super glue? So I think I need a junk drawer, but I don't wanna look at it. So I'm gonna move all this stuff into my console, which is also a little bit messy, but at least I won't have to look at it. If I show you how bad it's gotten, you have to promise not to judge me. Like, pinky promise. Put your pinky up. Look how bad it is in there. I had no idea it was that bad. Like, it's funny how you don't really think your house is that dirty till you start cleaning, and then you're like, how did I live in such filth? I'm not gonna touch it, but what is that even? Random leaf. So I'm gonna start by going over the dirtiest parts with this rag here just to get the first layer of dust off. Then I'm gonna go back over it with a clean wet cloth, and I have a vinegar spray as well. It already looks so much better. Just a simple dusting can do wonders. So I have my clean wet cloth and a spray bottle full of distilled white vinegar. I think most people dilute the vinegar with water, but I just filled it full of vinegar because I'm usually cleaning with water anyway. And if a little bit's good, a lot's always better, right? I hate cleaning off Chase's nose marks, they're so cute. I use this vinegar spray for everything, obviously as like an all-purpose cleaner like you've seen, but I also use it to wash windows and my dishes. I try to use as few paper towels or napkins as possible, so if they're a little bit dirty from cleaning the window but it still has some life left, I'll use it to clean the door trim. I think we're ready to put stuff back in. This is my favorite jacket. Bought it a couple years ago when I didn't feel pretty or cool, but when I wore it, it made me feel pretty and cool. But it's literally falling apart now. I don't want to get rid of it, but when we hang on to stuff past its expiration date, trying to avoid pain, it usually causes more pain. And if I clear it from my life, then I'm making space for a new jacket. Thank you for your services. Moment of silence for favorite jacket. You doing fancy paws? You look so fancy. Hey, what does the VL on your vest stand for? Hashtag van life, baby! Wow, I cannot believe that all fit in so nicely. I feel like I'm back in the 90s. This place has not been updated in a minute. But the nice one up the street was really busy, so this seemed like the better choice. Time to clean the outside.
25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents.
Look how nice and shiny she is. Cleaning's a lot of work, huh? You tired from helping me so much? So this is the final product. She looks gorgeous. It feels amazing to be in this clean space. I had no idea how much it was going to improve just my overall life happiness. It's kind of like I'm breathing a sigh of relief that I didn't even know that I needed to breathe. I think I'm going to reward myself with some ice cream and just enjoy it in bed while it's still nice and clean and organized in here. It gets messy fast, so it'll probably be cluttered by tomorrow, so I just want to enjoy it while it's here. You want to lick the bowl? It feels so satisfying having the car back in order. I am really thankful I put in the work to getting my home comfortable again. Hopefully you got some cleaning motivation as well. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe as it really helps Chase and I out, and we'll see you next time.
Say hello to my little friend.